Hello, this is Mahnaz Behroozi. I'm a PhD student at NC State University. Our mission from our series of studies is to make technical interviews more inclusive. Essentially, our main question is, are we assessing the things that we want to be assessing? What is a technical whiteboard interview? It's a common form of interviewing a software engineer in which interviewers ask candidates to solve a coding problem on a whiteboard. While writing the code, candidates have to think aloud in order to let interviewers see their thought process. In this study, we investigated if whiteboard interview is a correct tool to assess technical skills, or there are hidden factors that prevent qualified candidates from performing to their best capacity. From our previous narrative analysis studies on online software engineering communities such as Hacker News and job review websites such as Glassdoor, we have found that one of the main concerns of technical interview candidates about whiteboard interviews is the stress induced by thinking aloud and being watched by interviewers. To investigate how this type of stress affect candidates' performance, we recruited 48 candidates, comparing them in public and private whiteboard settings. The public setting was similar to traditional whiteboard interviews, while in the private setting, candidates solved the problem privately. We collected data from different channels: eye tracking data, post-task surveys and questionnaires, and solution assessment. We found that performance in public setting is reduced by more than half by simply being watched by an interviewer. We also observed that stress and cognitive load were significantly higher in a traditional technical interview when compared with our private interview. As our study results suggest, whiteboard interview is susceptible to testing stage fright tolerance rather than problem solving and coding competency. This paper suggests guidelines to avoid negative effects of public performance.